Okay guys, we're gonna go to CVS. I'm gonna show you how you can grab tons of amazing deals, even deals that wind up being completely free, all digital. So if you wanna save money at CVS, definitely stay tuned. Hey guys, Bree the Coupon Queen, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, my channel is all about ways that you can save thousands of dollars by using some coupons and some rebate apps. So if that's something you're wanting to do, definitely take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It's completely free to do so, and that way you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So there are a lot of great deals this week at CVS and some Ibotta rebates to help us track towards our bonuses. So if you're trying to track towards any of your bonuses, whether it's the weekend bonus, midweek bonus, that big September bonus, all of these Ibotta rebates are going to be great to do. Definitely check your CRTs, see what you have available to add in. And there is a giveaway that I have going on right now on my Instagram. I'm teaming up and grouping up with some other amazing couponers. So if you don't follow me yet on my Instagram, it's Bree Coupon Queen 1. Head over there, find that post, and you can follow me. Enter in to win a $50 Amazon gift card and a coupon binder. So if you're not following any of the other ladies, of course, definitely check them out. We all post amazing deals and different deals. So it's always good to follow multiple couponers so you can make sure that you're saving the most possible. There is a printable breakdown, as always, linked below. And my next beginner couponing class is going to be September 7th at 7 p.m. So if you want to join in that, there's only about 3 spots left. That's linked below in the description box for you as well. I'm going to be going live on Instagram on Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I haven't been live yet on Instagram, so I'd love to have you guys join me, ask me any questions you have, anything like that. So definitely mark that in your calendars. Let's go inside now and take advantage of some amazing deals at CVS. So our first deal is going to be a nice moneymaker, and I'm going to try to incorporate as many Ibotta deals this week as possible because we're tracking towards that big bonus. So I'm going to grab 2 of the Nivea Men Shave Gel. They're $4.69 at my store. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. You can go to the Nivea website and print these coupons. It is a limit of 1. Then I also have a 2 off of 8 Nivea Men Shave CRT that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to pay $6.38 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back each. That'll make my final cost free and a 12-cent moneymaker. Here is an all digital coupon deal anyone can do this week on razors. So they are spend $15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're only $5.99 each this week. So grab 3 of them, then clip these 2 digital coupons for 5 off 2 and 3 off 1. You'll pay $9.97 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost $4.97 for 3 of them, or $1.65 each. Now we're going to put together the beauty deal for this week. Now it is tiered, so spend 30, get 10, or spend 40, get 15. When it's a tiered deal, the 98% rule does not apply, so make sure you're actually hitting those numbers. I'm going to do it spend 30. I'm going to grab one of these Simply Ageless CoverGirl for $19.99. I have this digital CRT for $6 off. I have another one actually, and I'm using a 6 off of 20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CRT just for this product alone, which is awesome. But we still have to reach $30 in product value, so let's go grab a few more items. Another deal I'm going to add, the better one to grab would be the Dial Clean and Gentle because there's an Ibotta rebate. My store unfortunately still doesn't have those available. I think I'm still going to add it in my scenario though, because I do have a 2 off of 2 Dial Body Wash CRT, and they're 2 for $7 this week. The last product I'm going to add is one of these Micellar water wipes. They are $7.79, and I do have this $2 CVS CRT that works on the Micellar ones. So let's go over the totals for the beauty deal. Total for all these products is $34.78. Then I have a lot of CRTs and coupons that I'm using, so I'm going to be paying actually $9.78 plus taxes or with extra bucks, get back a $10 extra buck and a $3 beauty buck. Then if you can grab the Dial Clean and Gentle version, you'll get back another $3 from Ibotta. So that would make your final cost completely free and a $6.22 money maker, which is amazing. Let me know in the comments what kind of deal you guys are putting together for this beauty transaction. Now let's put together the other scenario, which is spend 30. This is a separate deal. This is the one on household products. So this is spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. I'm gonna grab 3 of the Pantene that are 3 for $12. Use the $3 coupon from the September PG and this CRT for $2 off of 12. Okay, so here is a freebie that you could grab on L'Oreal Elvive this week, or you can wait until next week. Elvive is gonna be actually part of an extra buck promotion. So if you save the 4 off of 2 that we're all getting today, every single person is gonna get this CRT this week, then it could be a moneymaker. Or you can do it this week, grab 2 of them, use this 4 off of 2 instant coupon, the 4 off of 2 printable that I told you guys to print, and there's a 4 off of 2 digital, which may glitch as well, making them both completely free this week. I'm gonna wait though until next week to use mine. Also gonna grab 2 of these security liners. Has to be the 80 count or larger for the Ibotta rebate. They're buy one, get one half off, and they're included in the deal. On the Kotex website, you can print $1.25 off 1 coupons. Then submit to Ibotta for $2 back each, gonna give us back $4. So let's go over our totals. The last one I'm gonna grab is one of these Tide Pods. They are $4.94. We did just get this $2 digital coupon that everyone can clip in the CVS app. So the total for all of these products is going to be $29.97. Then after all the coupons and CRTs, I'm going to wind up paying about $17.47 out of pocket, get back a $10 extra buck and $4 from Ibotta, making my final cost $3.47 for 6 products or 57 cents a piece. If my math is correct, it is all in the printable breakdown as usual. Now I'm going to do the Snuggle Deal. So these here are $5.79 on promotion. Buy 1, get 1 free. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. Then I also have a $1.50 off 1 coupon. I don't remember the insert. It's linked in the printable breakdown below in the description box. I also have this $1 off 2 Snuggle CRT that I'm going to be using. So after I get the extra buck and everything back, I think I'm paying like $3.29 out of pocket. Get back a $2 extra back, makes it $1.29 for both, or like 65 cents a piece, which is incredible for laundry care. So definitely stock up. Another one you could do is on the All. They're included in this promotion as well. If you guys need some baby wipes, here's a great deal. The huge count of the CVS brand, which I use all the time, I really like it. They're buy 1, get 1 half off. So you would grab 2 of them. Then you can use this 3 off of 15 baby wipes CRT if you have it. You'll wind up paying about $13.93 for both boxes, and there's 572 count per box. So that gives you 10 of them in total, which makes it about $1.39 per 72 count. And the 72 counts regular price are $3.29. So that's more than 50% off. Definitely a great deal to stock up, especially if you have a baby shower coming up. Here's an easy freebie. So this is why I say always double check your CRTs and see what you have. There's no extra buck deal on these, but it winds up being free. I'm gonna grab 2 of the aluminum free Secret. They're buy 1, get 1 half off. Then I'm gonna use this $5.99 off 2 digital coupon, and I have 2 different $3 off 2 Secret CRTs. Those will all price adjust down, making them both completely free. If you need mouthwash, you can grab a Crest Scope. This week they're only $3.99. Buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. Clip this $1 off 1 digital coupon. Then your final cost is gonna be just 99 cents, which is amazing. Garnier this week is another great deal at 2 for $7. Now keep in mind, for the beauty event, only select products are included. These track towards beauty, but they're not included in that promotion. These are buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. We have 3 off of 2 coupons that came in the 8/22 save. If your store accepts expired coupons, it's only a day old. Then I'm gonna pay $4 out of pocket. Get back a $3 extra buck, makes it $1 for 2 or 50 cents a piece. Okay guys, we are back in from CVS. I made a bonehead move. Forgot to send to card my $3 Pantene digital coupon. Like, what a boob. Hate when I do that, but hey, it happens. Then I had 2 CRTs not work. The 2 off 8 Nivea men's shave, like it wouldn't go through. Even though when I scanned the product, that coupon or that CRT popped up. So that was weird. I was like, whatever. And my 6 off of 20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CRT didn't work. Again, it scanned working for that product. So that was weird too. So I lost $8 there, which is kind of a bummer. But the first transaction, I did the spend 30 deal and the two spend 30 deals, the beauty and the household. These are the coupons that I used. The Tide Digital came off. The CoverGirl serums worked. 6 off 40 facial and hair care came off. Oh, that's why the 6 off 20 didn't come off. So I didn't lose that $6. That's cool. I knew I had that on there, but I didn't know I hit that threshold. So whatever. $6 CoverGirl serum, 2 off 12 Pantene, Dial, 2 for the Garnier. Then these are extra bucks and beauty bucks I used from last week's deals. Paid $9.84 out of pocket with a gift card. Again, make sure you're getting Flu's gift cards. So you buy a $10 gift card, you're using $9.84 of that. If you have a voucher available for 35% cash back, you'll get $3.75 back just for buying that gift card. If you're new to Flu's, definitely get signed up. It's an amazing app to use. When you use my referral code BRECouponQueen21, you get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. You can use one of those vouchers at CVS. I do have videos on my channel for how to get more vouchers, how to use Flu's, the whole 9 yards. So definitely check it out if you're having any issues or if you want to learn how to use the app. Then submitted to Ibotta, got back $5.50 as well. So this transaction was pretty much free from the cash back on Flu's and the cash back from Ibotta, which is awesome. Then my next transaction, I just did the remainder of the deals. So I did the Garnier, I did the Snuggle, and I did the Secret. So let's see how this one panned out. $1.50 on the Snuggle, $3 for the Garnier. The Secret Digital came off. Both of the Secret CRTs came off. As you can see here, this one just price adjusted down. Then $1 off to Snuggle, rolled a $5 extra buck from my first transaction, paid $3.99. I used the rest of the Flu's gift card. Then I used a Fetch gift card for the rest of it. So I only bought 1 Flu's gift card today, and then I had some points for a Fetch Rewards gift card to cover the rest. So super happy with how this worked out. If you guys have any questions or anything, definitely drop a comment, smash the like button for me. It helps me so much to get this video out to more people to see how you can save so much money couponing. It does not take me a long time either. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.